Good day. I hope you will subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.
May sinend ko po.
On December 28, 2024, Ms. Quezette,
Yes, sir.
you said in Tagalog, ang tanga ng gobyernong to, not just as leaders, but as human beings. Is that what you feel?
Sir, I apologize. I do not know what happened on December 28 to make me angry. But if I wrote it that time
You're apologizing.
for not... No, sir, I mean, I do not know what situation on December 28.
Let me
and what the
continue on.
context.
Let me
Yes, sir.
continue on. It says, ipapamudmod sa mga naka-braces na nagbabakasyon abroad ang AKAP money tapos utang ng 629 billion. Yung budget ng ayuda this year na pinibigay kung kani-kanino na nag-mall tour pa yung mga tanga na 500 billion uutangin ulit kasi nag-deficit daw. Mr. Chair, Ms. Quezette, ang galing mo naman. Tanga ang gobyerno, ikaw matalino. Ano? Am I right? Tanga ang gobyerno, hindi mo matalino ka.
Mr. Chair, when one is angry, one says bad things. And in the situation that, sir, Mr. Chair, in the situation when I found out
So
that our...
Mr. Chair, you still have words, no, Mr. Chair. Ibig sabihin, that you are actually telling your anger to your followers, your anger. Saan mo nakuha yung anger na yan? I mean, do you have the facts? Do you have the information? Do you have the documents? Mr. Chair?
Sir, nasa news po na uutang tayo this year and last year.
Well-
Sir, sir, please, Mr. Chair, kaya ako nagalit kasi may nakita akong nakaakap na naka-brace tapos sir, I am not laying it on the congressman. I am laying it on the person who gave that person 5,000 despite na, sir, kasi taxpayer kami. Masakit, sir, na makikita namin na...
Ms. Quezette, may I ask you the question, how much taxes did you pay? And I will tell you how much tax I paid.
Sir,
Ang katwiran mo, you're a taxpayer. Bakit? Anong palagay mo sa akin, di taxpayer?
sir, hindi naman po kayo yung sinasabihan ko ng tanga, Mr. Chair.
Kaya tinatanong
It was the
kita, Mr.
process
Chair.
of distributing the
Mr. Chair,
AKAP.
tinatanong kita kung saan mo kinuha ito. Sa news mo lang pala kinuha eh. Wala kang documents. You cannot even tell me if you're telling facts or truth.
Sir, nasa news po kasi
sasabihin
na
mo, tanga ang
mag-uutang tayo.
gobyerno. My goodness, ibig mo sabihin, you're going to base your statement, tanga ang gobyerno, sa news na nabasa mo, Mr. Chair, and then you're telling me you're a journalist, and you're telling me that you're speaking the truth?
Mr. Chair, respectfully po, those are my feelings. Kasi binamigay natin yung pera sa
Therefore,
AKAP.
if that's your feeling, Mr. Chair, I demand that you apologize to this committee.
I will apologize, Mr. Chair, for my bad words or for... I apologize for my bad words, sir. I
Mr.
apologize for saying the word tanga in my post.
Maraming salamat, Mr. Chair, for admitting that, no? Siguro naman, makikita mo naman ang gobyerno, sasabihin mo mga tanga kami, siguro, pinapalagay mo, alam mo sa akin, Mr. Chair, ang pinapalagay ni Ms. Quezette, yung audience niya, mga tanga eh. Yun ang pinapalagay mo. Hindi ang gobyerno. Yung audience mo, mga tanga, kaya papaniwalaan nila ang sinasabi mo sapagkat yung audience mo mismo ang hindi nakakaintindi. That is fake news, Mr. Chair, and that is what we're investigating right now. You see? I hope that you understand that, Mr. Chair. Ms. Quezette, do you understand what I'm trying to say? Ikaw, nandito sa akin yung mga sinabi mo tungkol sa amin, ha? Hindi ako sumagot dyan, eh. Hindi ko na kinakailangan pang i-belabor yan. So, anyway, Mr. Chair, nakita ko naman na Ms. Crisette is now apologetic to what she said. I'd like to continue on, and I would like to ask TikTok here.
ByteDance.
Ms. Peachy, I can see that you are a very good English speaker.
Hello, good afternoon, Mr. Chair.
Yes, you are a very good English speaker. Are you an American or a Filipino?
Bisaya ko, sir.
Yun. Bisaya pala. Bisaya pala. Oh, okay. Kanina English ka na English, nakala ko Amerikano ka eh.
Mr.
Diba?
Chair, wa may makasabot og Bisaya diri. Gamay ra.
Oh,
Bisaya.
makasabot si Chairman Bisaya.
Ha,
Makasabot
Yes, sir.
si Bisaya.
may hapon, sir.
Oh,
Maayong hapon
Kita mo.
May hapon.
Okay, Representative
Ito,
Abante.
Mr. Chair, I'd like to ask you a question. Who owns TikTok?
Mr. Chair, ByteDance is the parent company of TikTok.
Who?
ByteDance.
ByteDance.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Where is that located? What's the
ByteDance.
headquarters of ByteDance?
I believe, Mr. Chair, the headquarters of ByteDance is in China.
In China.
Yes, Mr.
Alright,
Chair.
ByteDance in China. I heard that ByteDance has connection with the Communist Party of China.
Mr. Chair, no, that's not true, respectfully.
So you have that information, it's not true.
Mr.
I
Chair,
have some
that's correct.
information,
It's
it's
not
true.
true. Yes, it's not true,
Meron ako
Mr. Chair.
information na totoo.
I'm
Na
sorry,
mayroong
Mr. Chair.
connection ang ByteDance sa People's Republic of China. Wala.
No, Mr. Chair. The Chinese government
Miss
is...
Peachy, Mr. Chair, no company in China can exist without any connection with the People's Republic of China. Communist Party of China. No company in China would ever exist without any connection with the Communist Party in China, Mr. Chair. Do you believe that?
Mr. Chair, I'm happy to explain the ownership structure of ByteDance. 60% of ByteDance is owned by global investors, including General Atlantic, Susquehanna, and also SoftBank.
Okay.
The other 20%, Mr. Chair, is owned by ByteDance employees around the world, including in Southeast Asia. And another 20% is owned by the founder of ByteDance, who is a private citizen
Mr.
who I
Chair,
believe lives in Singapore now. Sorry, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, you have syllables, no? Mr. Chair, I don't actually care who owns it or who are the shareholders to it. What I'm just telling you is that if that is a Chinese company, headquarters in China, no company in China could ever exist without any connection with the Communist Party in China. That is what I'm saying, and I'm not asking a question to you. Now, let me ask you a question now. Who is the Filipino counterpart that owns TikTok?
Mr. Chair, there's no Filipino counterpart.
No Filipino counterpart. Therefore,
No, Mr. Chair.
it is totally a foreign company.
Mr. Chair, it is a company headquartered in Singapore and Los Angeles.
So with that, Mr. Chair, it means that you do not have to pay taxes in the Philippines for that?
Mr. Chair, we comply with all tax regulations that are imposed on us in this country.
It means that the BIR has imposed some tax liability on you?
Mr. Chair, we have the digital services tax, which will be an implementation, I think, within the year. I'm not quite sure, but we have the digital services tax.
Can you
Mr.
give
Chair.
us a document stating that fact, Mr. Chair?
Mr. Chair, we're happy to discuss this and provide more information.
Mr. Chair, I'd like to make a motion that Ms. Peachy submit to us documentation on the payment of taxes of TikTok.
Any second?
Second, Mr. Chair.
There's a motion Motion is approved.
Ms. Peachy, Mr. Chair, do TikTok allow gutter language?
Mr. Chair, we strive to balance free expression with protecting user safety, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, is gutter language free expression? Let me ask you, are you a journalist or not?
Mr. Chair, no.
Okay, now, let me ask you now, being just a human being and a man and a person that believes in decency, does TikTok allow gutter language?
Mr. Chair,
Yes or no?
Mr. Chair, we allow various expressions on the platform, but we do restrict profanity for
You restrict
underage.
profanity.
Yes, for underage users.
And
sir.
what
We-
do you do when you restrict profanity?
It is not allowed on the For You feed,
Well,
Mr. Chair.
here is an example of profanity right there. Hindi ko nga kayang basahin eh.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
This is profanity. That is profanity right here. Oh.
Papabasa ko sa DSP.
Di ba? Oh. So you said that you do not allow, you restrict profanity, Mr. Chair. And this is profanity right there.
Understand, Mr. Chair. We do not allow hateful expression, if I may, Mr. Chair. We don't allow hate speech.
Well, you should put this out then.
Yes,
Because
Mr. Chair.
you can be accountable to this.
Mr. Chair, we're glad to work with this honorable committee to study the content that you are showing to us.
All right? And I have also here some, not just profanity, but pornography. Dance, people who do not have bra, who only wear skimpy clothes, dancing in TikTok. Do you allow that?
Mr. Chair, we do not allow pornography on the platform.
Now, do you consider a woman without any bra at all, and you could be able to, it's now, tinatawag natin na wala nang naiwan sa imahinasyon. Eka nga, ano? Oo. Yung bang mga babae na nagsasayaw dito at naka-bikini o meron dito hindi ko na makita eh. You said you don't allow that. Here, for example, this one here. Ayan. Oh. Nakikita yung breast niya. You don't allow that. That's pornography, am I right?
Mr. Chair, we're happy to once again work with this honorable committee to study the content that you're presenting to us
Well, I'm so glad.
so that we
Mr.
can
Chair.
coordinate.
I'm so glad. Oh, ha? Kasi alam nyo, hindi ako sanay sa TikTok eh. Ngayon ko lang talaga tiningnan itong maigi eh. Ha? Hindi. Ayan, tulad yan. What do you call this? Is that not pornography right there?
Hindi naman, sexy lang eh. Sexy lang? Sexy lang.
Sexy lang. Ha? Hindi. There's nothing left in the imagination dito eh.
Meron naman.
Wala na.
Once you like a certain
Please,
Oh, mugawa siya.
I'd like,
Pero
I'd like to ask my colleagues if they're agreeing with me or they're agreeing with TikTok. Anyway, anyway, Mr. Chair, I'm so glad that you will be working with us on that, no? But we would like to please now tell TikTok, I think that they would be more decent in what they're trying to portray, no?
understand, Mr. Chair. Thank you very
Maraming
much.
salamat.
Boses, no?
Oo, oo. Hindi, galing mag-English eh.
Bisaya ko, sir.
Bisaya pa. Okay, now, another thing is this. I'd like to ask questions to MJ Kiambao, Miss Mary Jane Kiambao Reyes.
Yes, sir. Yes,
You
Your
made
Honor.
a statement when you were giving your statement that you base your blog on the truth, no? And that you are actually not biased. You are not pro Duterte. You are not pro Marcos. You said that. Am I right?
Your Honor, yes, sir. Although I also said in that same statement that yes, I can be biased, but I don't go below the belt. But as far as being pro or anti-Marcos and Duterte, I always try to remain objective.
Ms. Reyes,
Yes, sir.
I am
Yes,
the
Your Honor.
chairman of the Committee on Human Rights.
Yes, Your Honor.
I have records of EJK victims. And you made a statement, it says right here, to the International Criminal Court, global community, and world media. Is this not a pro-Duterte statement?
Can you please, sir, complete the whole
No, not yet. Not yet.
report?
I'm going to complete this. I'm just referring to the first statement, to the International Criminal Court, global community, and world media. It means that you want to tell that to the International Criminal Court. Am I right?
Dahil
And therefore, Mr. Chair, you do not agree for the former president to be held in the ICC. Am I right?
yes, Your Honor.
Okay, very good. So therefore, you are pro Duterte. Don't tell me you are not. All right?
Sir, can I
No.
pwede po akong sumagot?
Let me ask another question to you. You said you need to see this. The so-called EJK victims under President Duterte, a massive hoax. Do you believe that, Mr. Chair?
Yes, sir. Again,
Where did you
yes,
get the information, Mr. Chair?
Your Honor, sana po mabasa ng buo yung aking...
Do you want me to give you documents on that?
Sir, I know what I posted, but I want the whole, the people here and the media to also see ano yung context ng aking isinulat para po maintindihan din nila
Ito
at
na
hindi
yung
lang
context,
maibase
Mr. Chair.
sa isang
You do not
statement
even
lamang.
need to complete this. Kung gusto mo
Sir,
kumbituhin ko,
yes,
ito
Your Honor, I would
okay.
appreciate very much.
I'm going to
Mama.
complete this now. Okay,
Yes,
para
Your
marinig
Honor.
ng lahat.
Opo.
The so-called EJK victims under President Duterte, a massive hoax.
Okay.
Sa akin, mali. I have documents to show.
Yes, Your Honor,
All right,
that is
now
your
you
truth,
said.
and I also have my truth.
Please.
May I remind the resource person to, again, patapusin muna yung interpolator before you answer.
Okay po, salamat po, Mr. Chair. And sige po, so, kung pwede po, ibigay na lahat ng tanong at mabigyan din po kami
Laban.
ng pagkakataon na sumagot nang wala ring interruption
Of
sana.
course, you will be
Opo.
given your opportunity to answer. Pero patapusin muna talagang interpolator. That is
sige
a
po,
ruling
Mr. Chair.
before the resource person. Wag po tayo magsapawan.
Opo, Mr. Chair, maraming salamat.
Okay, Mr. Chair, let me continue on. You said, the anti-Duterte propagandist. So alam ko na kung ano yung bias mo, di ba? May bias ka na rito eh. Oo. Okay, likely funded by drug cartels, terrorists, corrupt politicians, greedy oligarchs, and narco-politicians are desperately trying to manipulate the global narrative. What did you get the information about that, Mr. Chair?
Pwede na po akong...
Go ahead. Sige.
Yes, Mr. Chair, pwede na po ako sumagot?
Yes.
Okay. Doon po sa mga nauna niyo pong tanong, kung saan, ang sabi ko nga po ay hoax. Ang pinagbabasehan ko po doon ay yung mga naglalabasan ngayon na panibagong impormasyon, kita naman po ito sa social media, ano po, kung saan yung mga napabilang na EJK, yung mga nagpakita ng picture ng mga anak nila na namatay daw sa EJK, actually ay hindi po connected sa EJK. At yung iba po ay buhay na buhay naman po. That's why, ang sabi ko nga ay hoax dahil yung mga pinakita ng mga nagrarally at pinapakita nila na namatay sa EJK ay hindi naman po patay.
Mr. Chair, nag-a-attend ba kayo ng Quadcom hearing? Mr. Chair? Nag-a-attend ba kayo ng Quadcom hearing? Yung mga biktima ng EJK ay nandoon at nagkaroon pa sila ng prayer rally, Mr. Chair. Nag-attend ba kayo ng Quadcom hearing?
You can answer.
Mr. Chair, okay, salamat po at pagkakataong sumagot. Yes, nakapanood na po ako ng Quadcom at napanood ko rin po yung mga latest na ganap ngayon kung saan may isang Aling Sheila, Aling Lori, Aling another mother, kung saan yun po, yung mga anak nilang pinapakitang namatay sa EJK ay hindi naman po. Doon po, yun po yung pinanggagalingan ng aking isinulat na opinyon. Yun po ay reaksyon at opinyon sa mga nabalitaan ko po sa social media. At sa mga news online. Again, those are my personal reaction and opinion on the current events.
Mr. Chair, ang hirap nun, makakabalita ka ng anuman, tapos you're going to put up an opinion, and you want to let the people believe it's the truth. Yun ang problema dyan eh. Facts. Then, sinabi mo, they want you to believe that every young life lost was at the hands of our people's President, Rody Duterte. This is a blatant lie.
That is my, pwede na pong sumagot, Your Honor?
Yes, go ahead. Sige.
Opa.
Go ahead.
Again, that is my truth. Those are my opinion. And nakabase naman din po yan sa mga available information. Ngayon, makikita po natin na yun nga po, may mga EJK victims nga raw na hindi naman pala.
Raw.
Yun nga po, yung raw po, I'm
Therefore,
referring...
you have no right to say it's a massive hoax.
Mr. Chairman, with the indulgence of Chairman.
Yes, Mr. Congressman
Ma'am, yung
Paduano.
sinasabi mong mga facts ngayon na lumalabas, is it an official document coming from those investigation by government agencies, by Quadcom, or just a mere in the social media accounts?
Sir, Your Honor, if I'm not mistaken, nasa newspaper na rin po yan.
Sandali
But of course,
po.
nauna,
Sandali. Nasa newspaper. Pero ang tinatanong ko po, anong source ng newspaper? Is it an official document or findings of the Human Rights Commission?
I have yet-
Absolutely. Ma'am,
Yes,
Madam,
Your Honor.
absolutely not. Because during our hearing, the Quadcom, all those victims, yung mga families na nandun, was confirmed by Human Rights Commission.
Okay, Your Honor,
In fact, we have all the list.
Your Honor, can I also answer now, kung pwede po? Lumabas po na may mga kapatid, yung mga biktima, na sila po mismo ang nagdi-deny doon sa mga ibinabalita ngayon
Mr. Chair,
Mr.
Mr. Chair,
Chairman.
I'd like to interject for a while here, while you're answering. Ang binabanggit mo, may nabalitaan ka? May nabalitaan ka? Oh, I mean, my goodness, if you're if you would like to be a resource person here in this committee, kinakailangan meron kang basis. Meron kang tunay na basis, meron kang dokumento na masasabi. Sapagkat, Luca, ang Commission on Human Rights, for example, nag-imbestiga ng EJK at maraming nakita. Kami, in my Committee of Human Rights, marami kaming nakita. Oo. Samantalang ikaw, sinasabi mo, massive hoax ito. Wag naman, Mr. Chair. Gusto kong maniwala sa statement mo kanina. Pero ngayon, itong statement na ito, hindi na maganda eh. Nagsabi ka pa ng facts. Some of these so-called victims died years before or after Duterte's presidency. Where'd you get the information?
Nasa balita po, Your Honor. Yung iba po ay namatay ngayong last year lang po,
Madam,
2024.
Mr. Chairman,
Opo.
Madam, sa Quadcom po, sa hearing namin, at it was confirmed by Human Rights Commission, lahat po na nakalista doon, under our records, was confirmed by Human Rights Commission. Wala po doon yung prior and after
Wait lang po, ha, kasi ako
ng Duterte's administration. And, Mr. Chairman, kindly, let me just remind that, sir, is he your counsel?
No, sir.
Oh.
From the House of Representatives po siya. Ay,
From the House?
nagpapapirma po. Sabi ko mamaya na kasi busy pa po tayo.
Anyway, madam,
Apo.
ma'am,
Yes,
wala
Your
po
Honor.
eh. Now you're talking about those mga disclaimer ng family. Now, ang tanong ko po, is it documented, under oath? Do you have a document for that? Or just a mere media reports?
Alin po, sir, yung tinatanong po ninyong documented or
Hindi,
media
yung
reports?
sinasabi mo na may mga families of victims na dininay, na-refute yung claims.
Posted po ng mga
Ayun nga
kamag-anak
problema,
nila,
posted
and then,
sa social
opo,
media.
and
Ang sinasabi ko, madam, baseless yan kasi based on our investigation, and unless otherwise, you can have a document under oath that indeed a certain family of victims clarified and dispute that data.
Okay po, Your Honor, noted po. Next
noted?
time. Yeah, noted
Anong
po
noted?
noted po na,
Tinatanong po kita kung may dokumento ka bang hawak, wala.
tulad po ng sagot ko kanina,
Hindi,
Your
sandali,
Honor.
you answer my question, Mr. Chairman.
Yes, I'm trying to answer, Your Honor.
Sandali po.
Opo.
Yes or no? Do you have the document under oath?
Sir, like I said,
Andale, yes or no? Remember, I am just asking you if you have the document or not under oath.
of the family who
Yeah.
reported?
Yeah.
None, sir.
Oh, none.
It's
Oh.
on the, like I said, it's a...
So none. You don't have.
Okay, sir. Next time po,
What's
kukuha
next
po muna-
time?
next time po, bago po tayo magsulat ng mga ganon, kailangan kumuha po muna tayo ng mga dokumento under oath. At hindi tayo basta magbabase sa sinasabi
Chair.
ng mainstream media.
Okay.
Mr. Chair,
Thank you.
let me continue on the
Representative
statement
Abante.
he said.
Yes.
Sinabi niya, facts to nakalagay, facts. Many are completely unrelated to drugs or EJKs. Some of them are still very much alive. You said you do not have any documents on that. Now look, Miss
MJ na lang po. Para hindi po
Miss MJ,
po.
you are accountable to the victims and you are accountable to us in the Quadcom. Pinasinungalingan mo kami. Pinasinungalingan mo ang mga victims. Now look, if you do not apologize right now, you listen.
Yes, Your Honor.
If you do not apologize, I am going to make a motion to hold you in contempt.
I apologize, sir. And tulad nga po ng sabi ko kanita, sa susunod po ay maghahanap na lang po muna tayo ng mga under
Yun.
oath. At
Okay
hindi
daw,
po
ha?
tayo magre-rely sa mga balita ng news.
Salamat
na lang.
po.
Okay po.
Kaya
maliwanag
fake news. Yun ang ibig sabihin non-fake news. Ito, tutuloy ko
Maraming
ha.
salamat din po, Your Honor.
Ito sinabi nyo, ikaw, ito, binanggit mo na ito ha. And this is something that you should apologize also. Anong sabi mo? Do not let these criminal forces twist reality to turn a strong, decisive leader into a monster. Now let me ask you, who are these criminal forces?
Ms. MJ, please answer.
Okay. I have this, kasi tulad ng sabi ko, ito po ay mga reaction at opinion ko lamang.
Well, therefore you apologize because this is
okay
not
po,
true.
sir. Okay, sir. I apologize.
Okay, Mr. Chair, this is the second time that Ms. MJ has apologized. I hope that next time, kayong mga vloggers, wag kayong magbibigay ng opinion lang, impression ninyo. Ibigay nyo yung katotohanan, may dokumento kayo. Sapagkat meron kaming documents to show Naiinsulto ko, I am insulted with your statement. Being the chairman of the Committee on Human Rights and one that's investigating, I am actually insulted with your statement.
Again, my apology, sir, and noted po sa mga suggestions po ninyo. At gusto ko lang din pong sabihin na yung pong post has nothing to do with you. Hindi po, it has nothing to do with, pasensya na po.
Well, Mr. Chair,
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.